What is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a new and powerful dietary supplement for supporting healthy weight loss and digestion. It is inspired by the healthy lifestyle and nutrition habits of the Okinawa people, who are a popular demographic, known for their prosperous health and extreme longevity in life. Okinawa is the largest island that forms a part of the Ryukyu Islands of Japan. It stretches southwest between Kyushu and Taiwan. The people of Okinawa are extensively known for their superior health, having more centenarians, people aged above 100, than anywhere else in the world. As mentioned in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic reviews, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a formula based on the diets and daily drinking habits of the inhabitants of this island. This dietary supplement is in powdered form, and you simply mix 1 scoop with water or your morning juice to make a delicious tonic to activate fat loss by attacking its root cause. The inflammatory protein, C-reactive, or CRP in your blood is known to block the fat-burning hormone, adiponectin. This causes inflamed digestion and it disrupts the whole metabolic process. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder is known to reactivate this adiponectin, which converts the food you eat to energy, instead of storing it as fat cells. Who curated Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula? It was a game of fate that led to the discovery of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder. It is said that Mike Banner, a nutritionist, had traveled to Japan for treatment of obesity for his sister. He met with Dr. Tamaki, who revealed to him the Japanese secret ingredients that have helped with metabolism and also to reduce the accumulation of fat in our body. Okinawa inhabitants are famous for the healthy lifestyle that has helped them have a longer lifespan. As a nutritionist, Mike Banner found it exciting and intriguing. Back home, he started doing research works and studies based on the ingredients for the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. After countless studies and tests, Mike Banner came up with a list of ingredients for the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic ingredients. The ingredients of this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic are all naturally sourced from multiple varieties of plants and roots, and they can be categorized into 3 distinct blend variants, namely, polyphenol blend, metabolic boosting blend, and probiotic and prebiotic digestive support blend. Some of the primary ingredients in this category are explained below. Cherry, low in calories, they are a great source to lose weight. They also have enough water content to flush out the toxins in your body. They also help to improve metabolism, as cherries are loaded with vitamins. They also prevent heart diseases as well as work well for people with sleep troubles. Carrot, high in fibers, carrots add as a great ingredient for weight loss. Carrots are highly recommended as a great source for the eyes as well. Since fibers take a long time to digest, they give a full feeling, easily making you consume less. They also do a great job in helping you have better bowel movements as well as easing your digestion. Papaya, another fruit that helps in digestion. Papaya is also a good source for digestion and increasing your metabolism. They have minimum calories and are rich in fibers. Aronia berry extract, this fruit found in North America, has numerous health benefits. It helps people with cardiovascular diseases as well as cancer. It is also a great source for improving your insulin sensitivity. Green mango extract, it promotes digestive health as well as low calorie count. As a rich source of vitamin C, they also help in improving the immune system. They help in losing belly fat, as they can suppress fat cells as well as fat-related genes. Mulberry, they help in activating the brown fat in your body. Brown fat is a great resource to lose weight, as it sheds down unnecessary toxins and sugar in your blood. Cranberry fruit extract, cranberries are loaded with nutrients of all kinds. It is commonly used as a source to get rid of urinary tract infection. Cranberries are also a good ingredient to lose belly fat. They are rich in fiber and vitamins. Acai berry extract, due to their appetite suppression qualities, they are a great ingredient for losing belly fat. Along with it, they are also rich in fiber content, helping to process food easily. Lemon, thanks to the presence of vitamin C and antioxidants, lemons are a great source for digestion. They also help in detoxifying, thus reducing belly fat. Lemons are also great in boosting your metabolism, thus burning even more fat. Other feature polyphenol blend ingredients include the following: European black currant fruit extract, apple, beetroot, strawberry, grape skin extract, blueberry fruit concentrate, pomegranate, blackberry, acerola fruit extract, red raspberry extract, pineapple extract, orange, cantaloupe, grape, watermelon, hibiscus, peach. What benefits can you expect? According to numerous real customer reviews of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, it aids weight loss in the following ways. Boosts metabolism. Okinawa dietary supplement formula will support your metabolism by helping increase fat oxidation and supports healthy digestion during your course of usage. Boosts digestion. With its powerful blend of natural probiotic and prebiotic digestive enzymes, this tonic will help support your gut health and promote healthy digestion. Healthy digestion is a positive factor for improving weight loss. Healthy inflammation response. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic's formula includes a blend of powerful antioxidants that are proven to support a healthy inflammation response from your body and balance out your energy levels. This will help you feel more energetic, confident, and revitalized as your energy levels remain balanced throughout the day. Dosage and how to use Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. As said in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic reviews, it is very easy to make Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic drinks. There are no tedious steps or processes for making the drink. All you require is 1 scoop of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic and simply mix it in your drink or water. There can be a challenge initially as you may not be used to having a supplement every day. You can drop in a reminder on your cell phone or keep an alarm that will help you take your tonic on time. The best time for consuming the tonic is at 10 a.m. According to research, this is the time your body burns your fat and the metabolism is highly triggered. Hence Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is effective if you are to consume it every morning. It is best if you will follow the diet course for at least 3 months to derive effective results. It depends on your body and so there can be a different period your body reacts to the tonic. Please make sure not to consume more than what is recommended. It will have a negative effect on your diet and may lead to riskier consequences. You can also use the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Blueprint program that helps you with various diets and workout routines. If you are to follow these, there is a higher chance for the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement to work faster and effectively. Are there any known side effects associated with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? No, since all of its ingredients are 100% organic, naturally sourced, and undergo minimal processing, there are no harmful chemicals or hyperreactive agents in this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic dietary supplement. It is also strictly derived from the dietary habits of the Okinawa people who have been consuming similar items for generations. Still, it is advised that you do not exceed the daily usage dose. Is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic suitable for everyone? There are certain situations where you should avoid using this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Persons under 18 years of age should avoid using Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Those living with, treated or diagnosed with, or have a family history of any medical condition, should consult their physician before using this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. If you are currently under any prescription or over-the-counter drugs, again, consult your physician before starting to use this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Do not use it if you are pregnant or nursing. Do not operate heavy machinery or automobiles within 8 hours of taking the directed dose. Do not exceed the recommended serving size or suggested use. How does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic work? As mentioned in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic reviews, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a mix of herbs in powder form. It is available to you in the most convenient and easiest of ways that help you lose weight and also assist in melting away your fat. A naturally sourced formula that is a substitute for synthesized treatments. To know how Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic works, you need to know the role of C-reactive proteins and their functioning in your body. CRP damages the arterial walls and is inflammatory, giving you a troubled gut. The C-reactive protein also increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases in you. There is a close relationship between CRP and obesity as they are related to metabolic syndrome. As per Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review, the primary function of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is to quit the functioning of C-reactive protein in your body, which helps in reducing your belly fat. They also work to suppress your hunger, by easily making you feel full. This means you will have less appetite and hence will be eating a lesser portion of food. As the thermogenesis process is activated in your body, you tend to work out more, also increasing the metabolic activities inside your body. As it flushes out the toxins, it also works to elevate your mood. Is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic a magic pill? Of course no. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is the result of years of scientific research and decades, or perhaps centuries of historical data collected over the diets and eating habits of generations of the Okinawa people. And it is not a magic pill in the sense that simply following the prescribed course alone is not enough to derive effective results. You will have to combine certain other diet and lifestyle changes and incorporate more physical activities into your daily routines for this tonic to show maximum results. A lot of people over the age of 30 with obesity have seen great improvements in their condition after they included simple home workouts along with this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement. It is best effective if you follow a balanced diet along with working out. How long will it take to see results? This depends on several factors including your age, your metabolism, diet changes, etc., and so it varies from person to person. But on average, we have come to find out that effective results will start being very noticeable from 2 to 3 months of strict use. It has come to our attention that a lot of people discontinue use after a month or two without obvious results. This is strictly advised against, as dietary supplements do usually take up to 3 months for your body to start reacting to the medicine more efficiently. How long would the results stay? This also depends on several factors and varies from person to person, but the initial feedback survey reports have shown that those people who finished their prescribed course of 3-month use noticed their improved results stayed consistent for the next 1 to 2 years. This shows how important the initial 3-month course of this medicine is. Also, it is important to note that such people also had regular counseling sessions and fitness programs following their 3-month course to remain in maximum fitness and health. Kindly visit the link in the description and make a purchase. Subscribe to our channel for more video. Thank you for watching.